Why do so many products stop working just after the warranty expires? Why can't we open, fix, or upgrade the things we buy? Why are products designed to die? It's called planned obsolescence, and it's one of the most toxic habits of the linear economy. It's when manufacturers intentionally design products with short lifespans, so you'll buy more, spend more, waste more. But in a circular economy, we flip that logic. We design out obsolescence. That means creating products built to last, built to evolve, and built to return. Let's unpack it. Planned obsolescence takes many forms. Technical obsolescence happens when something is built to break. Cheap parts, fragile components, no spare parts available. Software obsolescence happens when updates slow down older devices or stop supporting them. Your phone still works, but the App Store doesn't. Psychological obsolescence is when we're told that last year's model is no longer cool. It still functions, but marketing says it's outdated. These tactics keep the take-make-waste cycle spinning, but they're terrible for the planet, for your wallet, and for trust. So how do we design differently? First, durability by design. Build it strong, build it to last. Use quality materials, test for long-term use, avoid disposable components. A Patagonia jacket that lasts 10 years creates a fraction of the impact of fast fashion. Second, modularity and repairability. Design for disassembly. Make sure parts can be replaced, upgraded, or repaired. No glue, no sealed units, just access and intention. Think Fairphone, think framework laptops, think IKEA's replaceable hinges. Third, timeless aesthetics. Design things that age well, physically and emotionally. Trends fade, but beauty, simplicity, and craftsmanship last. A well-designed chair shouldn't feel old in 5 years. Fourth, upgradable systems. Don't lock in a fixed future. Design products that evolve, like software-enabled appliances or add-on modules. Cars now update over the air. Why not washing machines? Fifth, transparent life cycles. Tell people how long a product is meant to last. What parts will need maintenance? What happens at the end of life? Build trust through openness. Let's look at brands leading this shift. Vitsa builds furniture designed to last a lifetime or more. Apple, under pressure, has begun extending software support for older devices. iFixit empowers people to repair their own gear with guides and ratings. Toyota designs many vehicles to last hundreds of thousands of miles and has earned a reputation for reliability. These brands understand longevity is the new luxury. Durability is the new disruption. But to truly design out obsolescence, we need systems that reward it. Policies that support repair. Certifications for long-lasting products. Incentives for circular business models. Because when we design for permanence, we design for impact. Here's the bottom line. A circular economy only works if products don't fail on purpose. It works when things are made to last and made to come back. This isn't just better design. It's better ethics, better economics, better futures. This is how we move from fast to forever. This is how we design out obsolescence.